Today, I am going to show you 2 proven ways to make money online, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start earning passive income with affiliate marketing and scalable profits with print on demand. Let's dive in. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make passive income with affiliate marketing in 2025. I'm going to break down this entire process into 10 steps and cover everything from choosing the right niche to avoiding common mistakes that will cost you thousands of dollars. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share some bonus tips that no one else is talking about. So let's jump in. First up, what is affiliate marketing? In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission for every person you refer who ends up buying something. And what you do is you promote other people's products and services, and when somebody makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. And the way it works is you sign up for an affiliate program. You get a unique tracking link, and then whenever you share that link and somebody buys the product or service through your link, you get paid a percentage of the sale. Next up is step 2. How does affiliate marketing actually work? And I'm going to walk you through the process. Step number 1 is you want to sign up for an affiliate program. With an affiliate program, you'll get a unique link that tracks all the traffic coming through your website or social media or wherever you're resharing it. Now step number 2 is you'll get a unique tracking link, and after that you can start promoting the product or service with that tracking link. Step number 3 is somebody clicks on your link and then goes on to buy the product or service. And finally, step number 4 is you get paid. It's really that simple. Now we know how it works. Let's talk about the top 3 affiliate programs that you can join today. Number 1 is Amazon Associates. This is an amazing program for beginners because there are so many different products to choose from, and you can get up to 10% commissions. Number 2 is ClickBank, which has a very high commission rates for digital products. These are usually in the form of downloadable software, online courses, or ebooks. Now the third option is Digistore24, and they have a global reach with thousands of different offers in many different languages. Now 2 other popular networks that you can also check out are ShareASale and Impact. Both of these networks have thousands of merchants and affiliates, and you can find almost any type of niche or industry on these platforms. Next up is step 4, and that is how to choose the right product or niche. And I have a 4-step process that's gonna help you pick the best product or service to promote. Number 1 is to pick something that you're either passionate about or have knowledge in. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you want to pick something that you know a lot about so that you can easily create content around it. Step number 2 is to focus on the problems that people want to solve. And this could be anything from losing weight to making money online to learning a new language. Step number 3 is to look for products that offer a good commission rate. If you're promoting a product that only pays out $1 per sale, it's going to be extremely hard to make a full-time income. So try to focus on products that pay at least $50 per sale. And then finally, step number 4 is to make sure there's high demand for the product. If no one's searching for the product, then no one's going to buy it and you won't make any sales. Step 5 is to decide between free and paid traffic. And there are pros and cons to both. Free traffic methods include posting YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, starting a blog, or Pinterest. Paid traffic methods include Google Ads, Facebook ads, and native ads. But if you're just getting started, I recommend that you start with free methods, and then once you understand how it all works, you can scale up with paid ads. Step 6 is creating content that converts. And here's a simple formula that you can use to create winning content. Step number 1 is to offer value first. Teach people something, review a product, or solve a problem. Then step number 2 is to include a call to action and say something like, make sure to click the link in the description or check out the website. And step number 3 is to build trust. Don't just spam your affiliate links everywhere because this is going to turn people off. Instead, try to integrate your links naturally within your content. Some examples of winning content include product reviews, tutorials, or comparison videos. Up next is step 7, and that is the best tools for affiliate marketing. There are 4 tools that I use personally, and you can get them all for free. The first tool is Canva. I use Canva to design all of my thumbnails and social media posts. The second tool is Bitly. Bitly allows me to shorten my affiliate links and track how many clicks each link is getting. The third tool is Linktree. If you have multiple products or services that you're promoting, then you can use Linktree to manage all of your links in one place. And finally, step number 4 is Google Sites or Notion. If you want to take things to the next level, you can create a simple landing page to collect email addresses and promote your offers. Now that we have all the right tools, let's talk about step 8, and that is the biggest mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is to promote too many random products. Stick to a specific niche so that you can become an expert in that space. Mistake number 2 is not understanding your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your content? And this should be obvious based on the niche that you chose. Mistake number 3 is not disclosing your affiliate links. According to the FTC, you have to disclose when you're making money from an affiliate link. The easiest way to do this is to say something like, "This post contains affiliate links." And mistake number 4 is expecting to get results immediately. Affiliate marketing takes time to build an audience and to establish trust. So stay consistent and keep learning. Next up is step 9, and that is how to track your progress and optimize. This is very important, and all you need to do is check your dashboard stats. Look at how many clicks, conversions, and sales you're getting. From there, you can split test different content and headlines to see what's performing better and focus on the content that gets the most results and scale it up. Now we have covered all the main steps, but I have a bonus tip for those of you that want to take things to the next level. Bonus tip number 1 is to build an email list. This way you can follow up with people who didn't buy right away. You can nurture the relationship and convince them to buy later. And bonus tip number 2 is to repurpose your content. For example, you can publish a YouTube video and then repurpose it into a blog post or TikTok. And finally, bonus tip number 3 is to stay consistent. Post weekly and keep learning. Now that you know all the steps to get started, I want to leave you with one last thing. And that is to remember why you got started in the first place. Whether you wanted more freedom, flexibility, or financial stability, don't lose sight of your goals. This is the second method. Print on demand pod. You sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and more, while a third party handles all the work. Zero upfront costs. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money with print on demand in 2025. This is the most updated step-by-step guide for beginners, so you don't have to go through all of the trial and error that I went through. And if you really want to scale this into a full-time income stream, I will also be sharing with you my exact methods on how I scaled this business to 6 figures. Now, before we get started, I want to answer the question, what is print on demand? So with this business model, you sell custom designed products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, wall art, and pretty much anything else that you can think of that has a design on it. Now here's the thing, you never actually hold on to any of this inventory yourself. Instead, once a customer places an order, the supplier that you are partnered with will print and ship the item directly to them. This way you can start your own business without any upfront costs, and you don't need any experience or any special equipment to get started, because literally anyone in the world can do this. So now that we got that out of the way, let's jump straight into it, starting with number 2. Here is exactly how print on demand works. So first you create a design, which could be a funny quote, a cool graphic, a logo for a certain group of people, or even a digital photo that you took. Then you upload this design to a print-on-demand platform where you will partner with, which I will share with you later in this video. Then someone places an order for one of your products. After that, the print-on-demand company will print the product and ship it off directly to them, and you will receive your profit. And that is pretty much it. Moving on to number 3. Here is my list of the best print-on-demand platforms to use in 2025. First, we have Redbubble. It is completely free to use and a great platform for beginners because they handle everything from the design upload to the customer service. Next, we have Teespring, which is also known as Spring. This is another popular platform that I've been using myself to sell t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatshirts, and it's a good option if you want to promote your products on social media. Then we have Printful, which is probably the most popular print-on-demand company out there. It is a fantastic option, but to use Printful you need to partner it with either your own website or Etsy, which does require a bit more setup. Speaking of Etsy, I would say that this is probably the best overall platform to sell print-on-demand products, but again you do need to put in a little bit more work compared to other platforms. Zazzle and Spreadshirt are 2 other great print-on-demand companies that are used globally, so feel free to pick whichever platform works best for you and the type of products you plan to sell. Now moving on to number 4. Here is exactly how to come up with winning print-on-demand designs. So first, I recommend you use a free tool like Canva or Photopea to create simple but effective designs. Don't overthink it or spend hours and hours on each design. because sometimes the simplest designs are the ones that convert the best. And when it comes to what types of designs you should create, I recommend you focus on 4 main funny quotes, designs related to a specific profession, national pride, religion, hobbies, activities, pop culture and celebrities, and just about anything else that will appeal to a specific group of people. And here are some quick tips to help you create winning designs. Try to use bold, easy-to-read fonts. Try not to include pictures or graphics because it can lower the quality of the final product, and try to avoid copyrighted material because it can get your account banned. Also note that every single print-on-demand company is different in terms of the product catalog, the profit margins, shipping times, shipping costs, and so much more. So I suggest that you test out a few different platforms and see which one works best for you and your products. Moving on to number 5, here is how to properly upload and list your products. So first, choose high-quality mockups to represent your products. You can find these by searching for things like t-shirt mockup or poster mockup. Then write an SEO-friendly title and description. That means that you need to include keywords that people are actually going to search for when looking for that item. For example, if you're selling a funny t-shirt, the title could be something like Funny T-shirt for Women, Best Mom Ever Gift. Or if you're reselling a poster, it could be something like Motivational Wall Art, Gym Wall Decor for Men, Workout Room Decor. Next, make sure to use proper tags and categories. On a platform like Etsy, this is how your products will get discovered in search. And lastly, set your prices appropriately. Which brings me to number 6. Here is exactly how to price your products. So when pricing your products, it's important to understand the difference between the base cost and the retail price. The base cost is simply how much the print-on-demand company charges you to produce and ship the product. And the retail price is the amount that your customer will pay for the product. So here's a quick example to illustrate this point. Let's say that the base cost for a shirt is $10. In this case, you would then sell that shirt for $21, and you will keep the difference of $11 as your profit. Of course, I suggest that you leave some room for profit, but you also want to stay competitive in terms of your pricing so that people are actually willing to buy from you. Next, let's talk about number 7, which is how to promote your products. If you really want to scale this into a full-time income stream, you need to learn how to drive traffic to your store. And thankfully today, you have so many different options to do this. For example, you can share your products on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts, just to name a few. And in the beginning, I suggest that you use free traffic to get your first few sales. So for example, you could hop on a trending hashtag or trend on TikTok, or you could share funny memes in Facebook groups related to your niche. Then after you've gained some momentum and have a few sales under your belt, you can start running ads on Facebook, Etsy, or Pinterest to really scale things to the next level. Moving on to number 8. Here's exactly how to get your first sale. So the first thing you want to do is pick one niche and then create 10 to 20 designs very quickly. You don't have to spend hours and hours on each design because your goal at this stage is to simply get some sales. Once you've done that, you can start sharing your designs in Facebook groups or on TikTok, trends where people within that niche are active. Another great strategy is to offer a limited time discount or a bundle deal, which is when you offer a discount if the customer buys more than one product. This is a great way to incentivize people to buy from you. And remember that the key to success with print on demand is to reinvest your profits back into your business. So as soon as you start making some money, use it to create better designs, run better ads, and just overall improve your business. Next, let's talk about common mistakes you should avoid when getting started with print on demand. First, don't copy copyrighted designs. This is one of the fastest ways to get banned from a print on demand company. Second, don't give up too early. It can take time to build up momentum with print on demand, so don't quit right away. Third, don't forget to promote your store. Many people make the mistake of just setting up a print on demand store and expecting sales to come in right away. But you need to actively promote your products in order to get sales. And lastly, don't overcomplicate your designs. Sometimes the simplest designs are the ones that convert the best. And that brings us to number 10. Here's exactly how to scale your print on demand business in 2025. So the first thing I recommend you do is reinvest your profits into creating better designs and running better ads. Next, you can create a brand or a niche store. This is where you focus on a specific niche and target audience, and you can really grow a loyal following around your brand. You can also outsource the design work to freelancers on websites like Fiverr or Upwork so that you can focus on the more important aspects of the business. And lastly, start building an email list. This is a great way to create repeat customers and generate more sales. You can easily integrate your email marketing platform with your print-on-demand store and start collecting email addresses from customers who place orders. Now, since you made it all the way to the end of this video, I want to share with you 3 additional bonuses that will help you make even more money with print-on-demand. Number 1, check out this video right here, which explains how I was able to make $2,000 in a single day with print-on-demand. Number 2, I also have a free Facebook group that you can join to get support, feedback, and even free design templates. And number 3, I strongly recommend that you subscribe to my channel, because I post a video every single week about making money online with print-on-demand, drop shipping, e-commerce, and more. So if you want to grow your wealth in 2025, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.